Top 3 reasons to choose Norgen silicon carbide technology for exosomal RNA isolation. Reason number 1, high purity, no contaminants. Not all exosome isolation methods are created equal. Many techniques leave behind contaminants like proteins, free nucleic acids, and polymer residues. Norgen silicon carbide technology selectively binds exosomes at their isoelectric point, ensuring ultra-pure results. Reason number 2, preserves exosomes' integrity and functionality. Exosomes are fragile, and some purification methods damage their structure. Our silicon carbide-based technology gently captures and releases exosomes, maintaining their shape and cargo, perfect for downstream applications like RNA sequencing, proteomics, and even biological activity assays. Reason number 3, time is everything in research. While ultracentrifugation takes up to 6 hours, our silicon carbide technology isolates exosomes in under 30 minutes without requiring expensive equipment. High purity, preserved integrity, and fast results. That's why researchers trust Norgen's Exosomes isolation kits. Check out our exosome kits and get up to 20% off until February 28th.